Hello children, we will learn about large numbers in this video. Now children, we learn about the large numbers. As we are all familiar with the numbers of 4 to 5 digits, say 1000 and 10,000, but now we learn about large numbers of 6 to 9 digits, say lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores, etc. As we already know that in 4-digit number, the smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. In 5-digit number, smallest 5-digit number is 10,000 and the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Similarly, in 6-digit number, the smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh and the greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. Now, let us know about the naming of large numbers. To know the name of the number, we use place value table as we earlier did in previous classes. For 1000, we write 1000 in a place value table as shown below. In this table, we have 0 ones, 0 tens, 0 hundred and 1000. The digit written below every place value help us to find the name of a given particular number. Now in this case we have 1 in 1000 place value, so the number can be read as 1000. Similarly for 10,000, if we write it in a place value table, then in table we have 0 ones, 0 tens, 0 hundred, 0 thousand and 1 10,000. So it helps us to know the name it as 10,000. In naming of large numbers like 1 lakh, we again place the 1 lakh digits in place value table shown below. Here we have 0 ones, 0 tens, 0 hundred, 0 thousand and 0 10,000. But we have 1 lakh. So this number we can read as 1 lakh. The number below every place value help us to find the name of a particular given number. So in case of 10 lakh, when we place it in a place value table, as it under the given in the example, 0 ones, 0 tens, 0 hundred, 0 thousand, 0 10,000, 0 lakh, but 1 in 10 lakh. So it help us to read this number as 10 lakh. Now naming of large numbers, we have some examples. Like we take 54,321. How can we read this with the help of place value table? Now we put 54321 in a place value table as shown in the picture. In this picture we can say that there is 1 0, 2 tens, 300, 4,000 and 5 10,000. So the place value of 5 in 54321 is 50,000. Place value of 4 in 54321 is 4,000. Place value of 3 in 54321 is 300. Place value of 2 in 54321 is 20. Place value of 1 in 54321 is 1. So we call this number as 54,321. And this number can be written in an expanded form as 54321 is equal to 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. Similarly, we take another example to understand this concept clearly. Now we take a number 234785. To know its name, we place it in a place value table. In the place value table, we come to know that here we have 5 ones, 8 tens, 700, 4 thousands, 3 10,000s and 2 lakhs. So the place value of 2 in the given number 234785 is 2 lakh. Place value of 3 in number 234785 is 30,000. Place value of 4 in 234785 is 4,000. Place value of 7 in 234785 is 700. Place value of 8 in 234785 is 80. and place value of 5 in 234,785 is 5. So we call this number as 2,34,785. Hence, this given number can be written in an expanded form as 234,785 is equal to 2 lakhs plus 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 5. That's it for today in large numbers. Thank you, children.